Hi everyone, it's Hannah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet slip stitch, working in the back loop only. And the yarn that I'm using is called Sugar Bush Chill. It's a size 6, super chunky yarn, and I'm using a 9mm crochet hook. So for this stitch, you can make your base chain in any number. It doesn't need to be even or odd. So for this practice swatch, I am going to chain 10. To start the first row, I'm going to start in the third chain from the hook, and I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook, then pull up a loop, and instead of yarning over and pulling through all 3 loops like a normal half double crochet, I'm going to pull right through those 2 loops. So again, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, and then pull directly through the 2 loops on my hook. And I'm going to keep working this stitch across the chain until I get to the end, and then we'll chain 1 and turn. Now for the second row, we're going to work the stitch exactly the same, except this time we're going to insert our hook only into the back loop of the stitch. So again, yarn over, then insert your hook just into the back loop, then pull up a loop and pull directly through those 2 loops. And working into the back loop just gives it a nice sort of knit look with really even rows. You can also use this stitch working into the top of the stitch just as you would a normal crochet stitch. You can also do it working into the front loop. You can kind of experiment and see how it looks inserting your hook in different places. But again, the stitch is just to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull directly through those 2 loops. right. And then chain 1 and turn again. And you can just keep repeating that row 2, always working just into the back loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy making this stitch.